Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, September 23rd, 2019. It's also the first day of fall. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got practice 1.5 that's dealing with lowest common multiple or least common multiple that is found in your Big Ideas textbook online. And we have our Chapter 1 test coming up on Wednesday. In honors math, tonight we have our Chapter 1 review because tomorrow is our Chapter 1 test. Hopefully you are prepared and ready for that. In science, we've got a worksheet for both front and back that is dealing with a triple beam balance and measuring mass practice. That is a worksheet, and that is paper and pencil. In social studies and language arts, there is no homework. In literature, you need to make sure that you have your AR book with you for class tomorrow, as we will be having an AR reading day, and we'll have kids split up into groups reading between the library and Mrs. Shaver's room. If you are in Careers in Life with Mrs. Music, you can please make sure that your career pathway worksheet is turned in. One last thing for honors literature, you need to design 5 questions over the article Lessons from Failure, and that will be due on Wednesday. It's going to be it for today. Everyone have a wonderful Monday.